Well, this fine Buick looks like it's seen better days. Maybe if I can find the key, I'll start it next, if it does. What a wonderful white interior. Beautiful. Gonna need some serious ass protection in this beast. And now it's starting to snow hard. I found the right key. So let's see what's going to happen if this door opens. Yuck. I guess that'll have to do. Throttle's not stuck. Let's get some tunage happening.
Celsius. Our actual temperature is -8 Celsius.
-8? It got warm? That's London anyways.
This is the final week of Leon's exciting luau sale.
All right.
We're turning up the heat. All this week at Leon's
Oh, that's nice. I didn't even touch the gas. Well, this one's hard to die. $3,300. Too bad the axle's broken. Well, I guess in the spring I'll change the axle. It's got a lot of life left in it. The Pontiac's cold and the rear bumper is all rotted out as usual. Gotta love it. Ugh. I even kept my ass warm. Sweet. Hope to get that thing running in the spring too.